have you raise your right hand and repeat it. You ready? You sure?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. I, and say your name.
I, Reed Thomas, with Michelle Thomas,
All right. Swear that I will
swear that I will
truly and honestly,
truly and honestly,
justly and uprightly
justly and uprightly
conduct myself
conduct myself
as a member
as a member
of this learned profession
of this learned profession
and in accordance with
and in accordance with
the Georgia rules
the Georgia rules
of professional conduct
of professional conduct
as an attorney and counselor,
as an attorney and counselor,
and that I will support and defend
and that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the United States
the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution
and the Constitution
of the state of Georgia.
of the state of Georgia.
So help me God.
So help me God.
All right, welcome. You're gonna sign-
Une photo sur le portrait.